everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. What we are doing today, it's end of the summer, beginning of fall, and it's my favorite time of the year for delicious and nutritious recipes. Just realized my website has no tarts. I like to bake tarts once in a while. It's one of my favorite desserts, by the way. A few days ago, I was doing shopping in Sam's Club and I saw this beautiful fruit. Every year when I see when they are in season called apriums, it's something between apricots and plum, I always buy it. They're so fragrant, so delicious, has a lots of flavor. Looks like prune, right? Looks like prune, but smell like apricots. I absolutely love it. I always buy them. And in fact, on East Coast, I never got lucky to have a good apricots. If you know where to buy, please leave me a comment. I would like to know. I have not had in more than 10 years a good apricots. So this might go for fruit when I crave for apricots. So today I want to show you how to make delicious tart European style, something less sweet. If you want sweeter, please add more sugar, but I adjust with more sugar, but I'm showing you how to make classic French pastry today. So let's make this pastry called pâte sucrée. I developed this recipe for whole wheat flour. I just ground myself a few minutes ago. It's very fresh and nutty flavor. Whole wheat flour has so much more protein and nutrients for your body. So if I can make something a little bit healthy, why not? So we need 1 cup and 2/3 cup of whole wheat flour. And this is important here to measure correctly. Take your time and measure correctly. And to this we need 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt. I need baking powder, 1 teaspoon and 1/4. And by the way, if you are trying to eat healthy and if you're trying to avoid heavy metals, aluminum-free baking powder, that's the best choice. If you cannot buy, you can make it. I will link below how to do it. And just 1/4 cup of sugar. It's very small amount. This flour is not only has more nutrients, protein, more fiber, and doesn't have any preservatives. Since if you not grind flour yourself, look for organic without any additives, because usually this type of flour goes bad quickly. So shelf life to prolong, they add a lot of additives, a lot of preserves. So keep this in mind. And to this we need to have a cold. In fact, 8 tablespoons of butter. In fact, I keep for 10-15 minutes before I'm doing in the freezer. I always before use keep butter in the freezer. It's not very first time I show you this technique how to incorporate to the pie or tart pastry flour and butter. It's easy just to use your grater box. Old-fashioned but always work. My sister taught me when I was little. I love play with dough. For me, play with dough, it's like Play-Doh for my daughter. Forgot, I want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Totally optional, no needs, but tiny bit vanilla is not going to hurt because I really want to highlight that flavorful, very flavorful fruit. And with this nutty crust, it's going to be delicious. Now, I think it's ready for the wet ingredients. 4 egg yolks, and on well-floured surface, add your dough, and we'll need a few more minutes. and I like to place in Ziploc bag and place in the fridge for 10-20 minutes while we're working on filling. They're soft. We'll dry them later on. They're supposed to be completely dry. We need 3/4 of creme fraiche. If you don't have, use sour cream. To the creme fraiche, we add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Nice whisk. I'm using 10-inch tart mold. If you have bigger or smaller, or if you have little ones, that would be 6 little ones, but whatever you prefer. Little bit of olive oil or melted butter, whatever you have. Grease a little bit. Keep a little bit of rolling. This uneven surface you will not see. Will be all puff up and all level because this dough contains baking powder. Stone we're going to get rid of it with this little melon. We need a few tablespoons of sugar, just to dip this plums, this apricot, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I will mix. If your fruit is not overly ripe like mine, you don't have to do this extra step to add more cornstarch. More likely you will be okay. Right, so now looks nice and beautiful. It's ready for oven for about ½ hour. Buttery. It smells so good. I can smell. As every egg-based custard, that's how you have to treat this tart. It's very soft, it's very fluffy, and then eventually will little bit drop. But the flavor and the old creaminess will stay there. Look how beautiful. It's still very hot, I cannot touch. And I cannot wait to try. Now after 15 minutes of cool down, and now it seems easy to touch, so it's not awfully hot, and I'm ready to taste. Perfect. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that custard. Oh yes. I need to try one more piece. Oh yeah. I need to stop because I will finish all. I'm guarantee you're going to like this dessert. It's light, it's fluffy. So fruity, so delicious, not overly sweet, and I'm going to serve with dollop nice vanilla ice cream. It's going to be delicious. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you're going to make this recipe soon. And if you do, please give me a comment, give me a like, subscribe. By the way, most of you did not subscribe me. Please fix this problem. It means a lot for me. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, cook from scratch, look for seasonal fruit, and enjoy. Bye, see you next time.